Welcome to Art a la carte. In this little lesson, it's called Creating Magic Windows. And for this lesson, what we're going to be doing is using this screen. You can get it at Michael's in the sewing section of the store. Usually this is used for embroidery or needlepoint, I think. But in my case, I've managed to use it for creating my magic windows. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your screen, and it's a plastic screen, and you can cut it any size you want really, and I have pieces of this screen in every one of my watercolor kits. You're going to put it face down on a piece of watercolor paper, and you'll need a brush just like this with a pretty blunt tip. So you don't want to take one of your best brushes. You want to use one that's got some wear and tear to it. And you're going to get some color on your brush. The technique is pretty simple. Hold down your screen, and I'm going to dab my paint right through the windows onto the paper with the tip of the brush. I can also use different colors, so you can integrate different colors with this technique. It's fast and it's fun, and it produces some really interesting textural effects. You can lay one color on top of another, or you can integrate it into your sample. Then you lift up your paper and you can see, or your screen rather, and you can see the beautiful results that you get. Here's an example of one that I've gotten in my sketchbook. I love yellow ochre, and I love what yellow ochre does. And after it dries, you can see how the paint pools and bleeds off and gives a lot of interesting texture. And here's an example in my sketchbook of how you can paint an image right over that technique, and it enhances it. Happy painting!